Hallo, willkommen zur Exzellenzsprachschule. Ich bin Sunil Virani und euer Deutschunterrichter. Hello, welcome to Excellent Language Institute. I am Sunil Virani and your German tutor. In this video, we are going to talk about pronunciation rules for G. In German, we can say Ausspracheregel für G. Okay, so if IG is at the end of any word, means like if I and G, these two alphabets are coming at the end of any word, then pronunciation will be ish. Okay, ish. Okay, this is in English we have written like okay, ish. Okay, in Hindi we have wrote here ish. See, let's have two example and understand this. See, pronunciation of this word is kyonish. Okay, see, k is like k, right? Not like complete k, mixture of k and k. It will be here. Okay, so k o mid umlaut will be kyo. Okay, now at the end ish, kyonish, it will be kyonish means king. Okay, kyonish means king. Let's have another example. See, in this as well ig is coming at the end. Here as well ig was at the end, that's why ish. Here as well ig is at the end. First of all, this will be tra and au will be like au. Say tra, au, like trau rish. Okay, traurish means sad. Okay, so kyonish king, traurish sad. Okay, now if word is taken from French language, then pronunciation will be like as in English word pleasure. See, in German language some words are taken from French language, some words are taken from English language. In any language there will be many words that will be taken from other languages. Okay, so whenever like word will be taken from French language, then see pronunciation of G, for example we have G here, right? In this example as well, pronunciation of G will be pronunciation of S in pleasure. See, this is English word. See, in this word, in English word pleasure, pronunciation of S is je, right? So that je sound will be our pronunciation for G here. Okay, if word is taken from French language. So let's take this example. See, pronunciation, overall pronunciation will be passage. Okay, pa double s will be sa, right? Like double s a will be sa, right? Passage. Okay, see, for G there can be like three sounds we can say: j, z and j, right? J. So this is like j like this. Okay, pleasure. Okay, so passage. See, we have wrote here z like, but you should understand that pronunciation is je, like pleasure. Okay, passage. In English it is passage. Let's take another example. See, this is massage. Okay, massage, and it means massage. Now see, so G, pronunciation of G is like sh, right? Like we can say sh, this like S in pleasure. Okay, there are two pronunciation we have already discussed. Now if these two conditions are not met, okay, these two conditions are not met, then pronunciation of G will be like G in English word gum, like g. Okay, so let's take example. See, this is galb. Okay, galb means yellow. See, ge is gay, lab. Okay, galb means yellow. Let's take another example. See, G like go, lu is lu, right? L u mit umlaut, right? L plus u mit umlaut like lu. So glue, and whenever ck will be in German grammar, ck will come together in German word, then pronunciation will be k. So Glück. Okay, Glück, and it means luck. Okay, so pronunciation is like sh, s in pleasure, je, and g. So these three pronunciation we have talked. Okay, and when we will, at the time we are discussing pronunciation of g, we should also mention here that, see, if g is coming at the end, like in ung, okay, if ung will come at the end of any word, then we will not pronounce g. We will not pronounce g whenever ung will come at the end. Okay, for example, okay, in this beverbung means application. Okay, beverbung means application. So this is be, ve, r, like really less, boom. Okay, g, if you will consider g, then like pronunciation is really less, or we can say almost silent. Okay, so pronunciation is beverbung. Okay, beverbung, it means application. Beverbung. Okay, beverbung. So we can agree that pronunciation of g will be sh if if ig is at the end. If it is taken from French language, then s, like in pleasure. For like most of the words, pronunciation of g is g. Okay, for most of the words pronunciation is g, and ung is coming at the end, we will not pronounce g, or pronunciation will be really less.